Pike County is truly a wonderful place to work and live. We find the people in this county are hardworking, loyal, honest, good folk.
We had a mural that was painted in Pike County up on 9th Street in honor of Gil Hodges, and in that mural are people who are actually living here in Pike County within that picture in the crowd. He is a very well known and very honored piece of Pike County. It's up on 9th Street, which we're very proud of, and it's a place to go by and visit. There's a little garden there.
What I like about Pike County is all the community involvement that we have. Anytime there's a need or a festival going on, everybody always comes out and helps promote the different things that are going on within the county.
Pike County is a great place to live and raise a family. One of our great attractions we have is Prides Creek Park and Recreation Area. In the fall, it's a beautiful setting with the leaves turning along the lake, and then also the campsites with their fires and youth running around playing. Also at Prides Creek we have our local golf course. It's a course that's built along the lake. Beautiful setting, one of the prettiest settings you'll see for a golf course in southern Indiana.
I like about Petersburg the citywide yard sales we have in the spring and the fall. We also have at that time our antique car shows, which that draws a lot of people from out of different counties and even states.
Pike County has two beautiful parks, Prides Creek Park and Hornady Park.
7 years ago we actually lived in Pike County, and we've intentionally very recently moved back to Pike County on purpose because we've never encountered a community quite like Petersburg and Pike County that embraces you and makes you feel welcome and at home. The quality education, the school systems, the teachers, the leadership that really care about your kids. It's a great place to raise a family, a great place to live.
Petersburg is a great place to visit, especially during the holidays. We have an event in our park called Christmas at the Park with the light display. I've taken my children there for many years and they've always enjoyed it, and people come from many counties away just to see it.
There's several opportunities for your children to do different things here in the county. There's Otwell Youth Soccer League where both of my girls participate. There's two Little League parks in Winslow and Petersburg. And Prides Creek just has the disc golf course added, which is right now ranked #1 in the state of Indiana.
I've enjoyed watching the progress of the revitalization of downtown Petersburg.
One of the things that I especially enjoy is taking my grandson to Hornady Park. He enjoys the splash park and he loves feeding the ducks at the pond. Anytime he comes over, that's the first thing he asks Grand Grand to do is go to Hornady Park.
The azalea path in Pike County has grown over several years. It is beautiful in the spring with many vibrant colors.
We enjoy the Christmas parades in December in Petersburg and Winslow, and in 4th of July at Otwell.
We have an awesome teaching system here in administration. You can often run into your teachers anywhere out and about in town, talk about your kids' progress at any time. They're always willing to talk to you.
I think that Pike County is an awesome place. We have several nonprofit organizations here in town that take so much volunteer work, and it just shows how much your community really cares. I started a nonprofit organization and we've been up and running for 3 years now, and we've had such great response and support, and the volunteers that come out from everywhere, from churches and just the community, just the general support.